Hey everybody, quick video here. Look at that. St. Louis Scott is back on the road. We're at a beautiful rest area here, somewhere between, I don't know, Cape Girardeau and Tupelo. That narrows it down. And we are back out, mixing it up with the professionals. Look at that. That's what makes the country run right there. Hey, Karl-Bohemian nomad. You aren't down around Dyersburg, Tennessee, are you? Come on over and say hi. Inside joke. But there we are. She's driving great, towing great. Sparky's happy. His tail's wagging. And we are rolling towards the Talladega Super Speedway and points beyond. It's going to be a big trip. I'm going to wear you guys out. Have a good one.